Hello everyone, Install Easy here. Today we're going to show you how to quickly install Zoom on your Windows operating system. Zoom is a video conferencing software that allows you to hold meetings and other functionalities. Alright, let's get right to the install. Double click on Microsoft Edge, type Zoom, found it for Zoom download, click on it, and do not click on anyone that says add. You have to use the official one right here. Click on it. These are different options here that you have, but the one that we need is Zoom client for meetings. So click on it. This is the 64-bit. Click on it, and it's downloading it for us. Wait for it. All right, we could run it from here. However, close this out. Click on File Explorer. Click on Downloads. Double click Zoom Installer, and close this out. It's initializing it for us. Close this out and click yes to accept, and it's asking automatically keep Zoom desktop client up to date. You can check that if you want to, and this is basically all you do for this. You could sign in or you could join the meeting depending on what you want to do, and they have different options for you to sign on. All right, so that's it for today. Lastly, let's pin it here. You can do pin to desktop, and if you wanted to have a desktop icon, just type go to all apps and look for Zoom, and just drag it out. Okay, and that's it. Leave a comment on the installs you would like to see on this channel. From the team here at Install Easy, see you next time.